Hi, I'm Daniel on behalf of Expert Village. In this section, we're going to be talking about the differences between deadbolts and choosing a deadbolt for your installation. There are two kinds of deadbolts that you'll want to look at. There's a single cylinder and a double cylinder. Most of your regulations in this country are going to require a single cylinder, which has a key on the outside and a thumb turn on the inside. This is strictly for fire safety. You wouldn't want to get locked in your home and not be able to get out if there's a fire or another emergency. However, if you do have a window or glass right next to where someone could break it and simply reach in, then you can put in a double cylinder deadbolt, which is keyed both on the inside and out. You want to check regulations in your area to make sure you're not violating fire code. If you do choose to use a double cylinder deadbolt, we recommend that you leave a key in it whenever someone is home and only take it out if you're going to go on a long or extended vacation. The other thing you want to look at when choosing your deadbolt is the type of latch you're going to be putting in. If there's already a deadbolt, if you're replacing an old one, or you just want to make it quicker when installing the new one, you want to go with a Drivein latch. This latch here is a 1-inch throw, but it's just a punch in. All you do is drill the 1-inch hole and then just push it right in, and that's what secures it. If it's already been mortised out, then you'll want to get one that has a standard mortise already built onto it. Some of the deadbolts you'll find out there can be converted one way or the other, but that's one thing you will want to check when choosing a deadbolt.